Hello everyone, I'm super excited today because I got my hands on the new iPhone 17 Pro Max in the cosmic orange finish. This is one of Apple's boldest colors yet, and trust me, the pictures don't do it justice. So we're gonna unbox this together, go through what's inside, and I'll give you my first impressions and thoughts about what's inside. So let's jump right in. Apple has gone minimal with packaging for the last few years, and the iPhone 17 is no different. Super slim box, no plastic wrap, just pull tabs inside. We've got the phone right on top as always, and look at this color. Cosmic orange is bold, it's flashy, but it still has that premium made finish Apple is known for. Okay, now let's talk about first impressions. The cosmic orange really pops in person. It's not neon, but it's got this metallic, almost fiercey vibes that shifts under different colors. That's the kind of feeling that I'm getting with this, and it's unlikely anything that Apple has ever done before with this cosmic orange. The Pro Max, it feels premium as always. A platinum case and a ceramic shield front. And wait a minute, let me bring my 16 Pro Max because I feel like it's lighter than the previous generations. Yeah, it feels lighter than the past. Like, yeah, this is way lighter. Of course, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is more than just color. And this year, Apple brought in some new features I'm so excited to share with you. The A19 Pro chip, it's crazy fast, it's built for performance and efficiency. Perfect for edits, gaming, and heavy tasks. For the camera upgrade, this is my best part of this phone because this phone acts as a tool for me. That's why I got this phone. You're now looking at a 48 megapixel main sensor with even better low light performance, plus a new 10x telephoto on the Pro Max. So I'll be trying that out in a camera test video, of course. But the display has a brighter 120 Hz Pro Motion display, up to 3000 nits outdoors, which is totally insane for a sunny day outside. For the battery life, Apple claims a stronger battery life, and I watched some videos online where they were saying that they removed the SIM tray just to feed in some more batteries, so the regions that don't have physical SIMs are gonna be having larger or more performance battery size. I haven't confirmed that information yet, but I just thought to bring it here. So for the battery life, thanks to the A19 chip, the battery life of this phone endures a little bit more. That's the advancement of the A19 chip. Apple claims that we're gonna be getting more battery life, so I can't wait to test this phone and try it out and see what it's all about. For software, the iOS 19 features a lot of AI stuff like AI assisted photo editing, smarter widgets, and redesigned control center. If you're thinking about upgrading to the iPhone 17 Pro Max, don't worry, I got you. I'm gonna be doing a day in a live video with the iPhone 17 Pro Max. I'm gonna be touching in more details and going into more details about this phone and if you should buy it. So just hit the subscribe button and be expecting to watch that video. That's gonna give you like a guide to if this phone is gonna fit you and your daily activities. I'm gonna try my best to do everything that video is gonna pop and solve your problem. Anyways, thank you very much for watching and see you on the next one.